1,
Hang on though.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Are you counting us in?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Hello, on Growing Family Garden. Today we are going to be planting some flowers. We're going to be doing some nasturtiums, some cosmos.
Some sweet peas and some marigolds.
And what flowers have you got?
Flowers.
Show them.
Which ones?
Flowers.
Sunflowers.
Do you want Daddy to open some?
Yeah.
Right.
Daddy, let me help.
Got to go half an inch down, so that's about to your first
Pokey.
knuckle.
Pokey,
Baby.
pokey, pokey.
Good. These are called Little Dorrit.
Mama.
Ma.
Pokey.
So what we do is we take one seed and we put them in all the holes. Right, take a seed and put it in the hole and count.
One seed.
One.
That's it in the hole.
Next.
That's it. In there.
And
That one.
there you go.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4. Gonna tip it on there. Are you ready? Tip. Good girl. And then spread it on and pat it down like this. Spread it and pat it. Good girl. Nice and gently. Good girl. Well done.
Would you like me to roll your sleeves up?
Yeah.
Here. This one. Good girl.
And they are our sunflowers. All done.
Yay!
So we're going to open these and we're going to see what these look like.
Ooh!
You're going to sit there. Next up, we've got some sweet peas. Do we like sweet peas, Mummy?
We love sweet peas. The scent of these are just absolutely beautiful.
Oh.
Daddy's doing the holes for us.
We'll do 2 seeds in every one to start.
So
1,
two.
2. 1,
One,
2.
two.
One.
Can you put it in those ones?
2.
1, 2.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Good girl. Any more, Daddy?
Yes, please. Ah.
Good girl. You're stashing your compost in your pockets. So these sweet peas were bouquet mix. And this year with our sweet peas, Costa Climbers, we're going to create a structure on bamboo canes. So our little one can play underneath it this summer.
Gonna see what we've got in here?
So we're now going to plant some beautiful nasturtiums. These look really lovely.
We're gonna multi-sow these, and I don't know why, because they are quite big seeds. I don't know if you can see them from there.
Woohoo!
This was a good idea. One for the memory books, eh?
Wow, well done. You're getting this compost ready, aren't you? Whoa!
Put it on there.
Good girl.
Well done. Right over. More. 2 hands, please. Good job. Well done. You're putting it all on. Wow. So clever. Like this. Here we go. Oh, can we?
Wow.
Good job. Then. Should we move it round really like this? Is it heavy?
Mummy,
Mummy,
try it.
try it.
Mummy, try it like that. Whoa!
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys.
Daddy. Oh.
Whoa!
Are we making a little hole in there? Boop, boop, boop. Just a little bit. Boop, 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 boop.
I like your
So
sound
can you
effects.
make boops on this one?
Boop,
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 boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop, boop.
stand here.
Thank you.
Good girl, nice manners.
Really small, so one at a time.
He's a real baby seed.
And then put them in there. Good girl. Wow.
Nice.
More. You do this one.
Little one.
See, there's a lot in there. One at a time.
Listen to Daddy, how many?
One, just one.
Put in here. Put it in here.
One time.
In this one.
One at a
One.
time.
Yeah, that's it. You can put it there. Let me try it. Okay.
Right then. The last ones.
The last ones. Yay!
Marigold.
Beautiful marigolds. So today we've planted some nasturtiums. These are really beautiful colours and they're edible, so you can have these in your salads. They're really nice. We've planted some sunflowers. We just love these because they look pretty and beautiful in the garden. We also planted marigolds. These are brilliant companion plants, and they're a great eco-friendly pest control to put near your vegetables. So this is why we also like these. We planted some sweet peas, which are one of our faves because
No, Daddy.
no daddies, they're the daddies. The scent is really beautiful, really gorgeous in a little vase on your kitchen windowsill.
So that was us sowing some flowers, or trying to sow some flowers on Growing Family Garden, wasn't it? You did a good job,
Yay.
didn't you, to be fair? All that's left for us to do now is just to give these a little bit of a water, and they're going to sit in our greenhouse. See you later.